Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do screen mirroring on your Samsung phone. So let's get started. So very first thing I'm going to start by doing is pulling down that top menu for all the controls. Now, when you pull it down, you're going to pull down a little bit further and see if you can see screen mirroring option. Now, if you don't see it, don't worry. You're going to scroll down a little bit further down here where it says Smart View or Mirror Screen. So we're going to tap on that. And once you tap on that, what's going to do is it's going to start looking for devices such as your TV that can screen mirror from your Android or your Samsung phone. Keep in mind one thing to do, make sure that that TV or device that you're screen mirroring to has or on the same network, which is the same Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth is turned on as well. Now, once you find your TV or your device, simply go ahead and tap on that. And when you tap on that, basically you're going to get a code on your TV or device that will pop up like this. There's a code. Each code is going to be different. So for example, I get a code like this. You'll use that code and enter that code to connect, to verify. So you would enter whatever your code is. And then after that, it's usually like a 4-digit code or so. And then you're going to click on connect and it's going to connect to it and you can start screen basically mirroring on to your device. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. And thanks for watching.